What was the first thing that came to your mind when you read doggies?
I like doggies.
You like doggy or you like doggies?
I want to keep a pussy.
I have two.
अरे एक नहीं satisfy हो रही है तुम्हारे दो है.
You stop putting her on the spot.
Why have we called her?
सब उसको spot पे डालते हैं लेकिन कोई G spot नहीं ढूंढ रहा उसका.
Has your husband found a D-spot though?
हाँ?
अगर पूजा आ रही है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? पुआ.
Is she fucking with us?
I have no idea.
I hope she's fucking boys.
कोई ढूंढ दो guys अच्छा सा कोई boyfriend.
You want a what?
Yeah.
So my husband, na? No, not my husband. She doesn't know what dating means.
You don't know science? अगर कोई polka dot पहन रही है वो pregnant है.
Dude, people think that I had a sex change operation when I was 7 years old. These redditors are chutiya by the way. Like anything they will say or go on.
But तुम्हारा career ज़्यादा अच्छा था when you were a boy, right? हाँ?
कैसे है यार?
ये ऐसा से ना you're people pleaser or what?
I'm a big people pleaser. मैं ना नहीं बोल पाती लोगों को.
कुछ भी हो जाए.
कुछ भी हो जाए.
Earrings है.
Bracelet?
Bracelet कौन मांगता है? घड़ी नहीं दिख रही तेरे को?
और ये भी घड़ी करके दे दे.
Welcome to
Two girls and two cats.
मेरे पास था फिर भी मैं नहीं.
ओके तो शुरू करते हैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही बढ़िया चूतिया सा इंट्रोडक्शन हमने किया है.
हम थोड़ी
गाली दे सकते हैं?
हाँ
अरे
भाई कुछ
दो
भी
तीन
हो
दे
सकता
दो.
है.
भोसड़ी के.
And
लौड़े.
you know how Geet goes on that rant, and I know you have a special connection with that film, which we'll come to. Can you go on that rant? We'll beep it.
पर उसमें इतनी गालियां नहीं थी. एक ही
क्योंकि उन्होंने भी beep किया था.
कमीने कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा और फिर कुत्ते की मौत मरने के बाद तेरी माँ की
कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा और मरने के बाद हमेशा हमेशा के लिए नरक की आग में जलेगा तेरी माँ की.
हाँ,
But तुझे अपना वर्जन करना था with भोसड़ी के ना.
Oh shit.
That was the.
Can you stop putting her on the spot?
Why have we called her?
सब उसको spot पे डालते हैं लेकिन कोई G spot नहीं ढूंढ रहा उसका. So sad.
तुझे कैसे पता ये?
मैं बोल चुकी हूँ.
Oh,
We've had this.
Oh.
Just this.
Yeah.
The
Just
whole
spoke
chat
about
is just this. क्या
how
किसी ने
men
तुम्हारा
are
G
not-
spot ढूंढा? नहीं. That's it.
Has your husband found a D-spot though?
हाँ?
Put
And
you on the
that's-
spot. Hey girl.
And that's a no.
You know my husband is here somewhere.
Yeah, but he's
My
not here.
husband.
Can we introduce her? Is this episode
Yeah, okay.
ever going to go beyond
तो
this?
आज हमारे साथ है एक ऐसी इंसान जिसने बॉलीवुड ज्वाइन किया 4 साल की उम्र में, जिसका मतलब ये है कि उसके फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड पार्टी में उसने स्नॉट किया था सेरिलैक.
सृष्टि तेरे को पता है कि यूएस में जेंडर रिवील होता है 8 मंथ्स में.
जी.
ठीक है. इंडिया में होता है आफ्टर बर्थ, लेकिन इनका जेंडर रिवील हुआ था
8 साल बाद. Zoom
ये
एडिटर.
आगे है. When she was 4, she was playing a boy, and now she's playing with them.
Because is she fucking with us?
I have no idea.
I hope she's fucking boys. Because I read it somewhere.
Please welcome Ehsas Channa, who can really laugh.
Really?
Huh?
Oh yeah, you are dating KV, na? Who's married?
She's dating Manvi's husband.
Yeah.
Can we just get this out of the way? I never dated KV, please, guys.
Never ever.
People on Reddit need to shut the fuck up. I never dated KV. KV and I were really, really good friends and we used to hang out a lot. और कोविड का टाइम था पीक, हम जस्ट मिलते बहुत थे. हमने एक बार गाड़ी में बैठ के चिकन क्या खा लिया, लोगों को लग रहा है हम.
पर वही तो है ना. अगर एक मिनट, यू डोंट नो कि साथ में बैठ के अगर चिकन खा रहे हो you're
married.
पब्लिक. You don't know this?
मैं भी अपने हस्बैंड के साथ चिकन ही खा रही थी. आज बच्चा हो गया मेरा.
It's a
बट नहीं यार, मुझे शादी पे भी बुलाया था केवी ने. उसके हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त
क्या
हैं.
तुमने चन्ना मेरा गाया? चन्ना.
नहीं मैंने और केवी ने कभी डेट नहीं किया.
कभी भी नहीं.
नहीं.
पर तुम्हारी मैनेजर ने हमें पहले बोला कि वो डेट्स देगी, फिर उसने तारीख पे तारीख जो हमें दी. ये बात तो सच है, बिल्कुल सच है, क्योंकि ये भी हमने रेडिट पे पढ़ा.
मैं तारू को डेट कर.
Of course तो वो तो है ना, क्योंकि
उसने तुम्हें जैकेट दिया था. प्लीज.
हाँ तो जैकेट दे दिया तो डेट कर रहे हैं.
Excuse me, these are signs. Chicken, jacket, these are all signs.
She doesn't know what dating means.
You don't know signs. अगर कोई polka dot पहन रही है वो pregnant है.
Then you know that sound makes me puke. Don't do it. She's wearing white.
Why would you throw up on me only?
So what?
No, I never dated. It's been too long since I dated somebody. That I can tell you. इसलिए
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता ये सारे कि चिकन और जैकेट देने से डेट हो जाता है.
अच्छा हम बता देते हैं चिकन खाने से, लड़के के साथ चिकन खाने से, और अगर लड़का आपको जैकेट दे
तो वो डेट.
और अगर लड़का आपको हेलो बोले, हेलो,
और अगर आपने वही डॉक्यूमेंट करके इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला है तो आप बयां कर रहे हैं, बयां.
अब से मैं ध्यान रखूंगी.
हाँ.
अब से मैं पूरा ध्यान रखूंगी. पर कोई ढूंढ दो गाइस अच्छा सा कोई बॉयफ्रेंड.
ए वांट अ व्हाट?
या
Okay. So my husband now. No, not my husband.
I don't go. Listen. I don't marry. I don't date married people. Only divorcees.
I mean, not my husband. He's too old for you anyway.
No, that's my thing. That's my.
Oh, you
thing.
like older men?
I
Okay,
like
great.
older men.
All my husband's friends are single, but anyway, my husband sets people up on blind dates.
Oh, really? That's
so
nice.
if you want to be a candidate, all you have to do is fill a questionnaire so I
Go
know your
blind.
preferences.
Sorry,
That's not funny at all.
wow. No, this was funny.
Yeah.
I'm still laughing.
I love it, dude. You know, मुझे इसलिए ऐसे हंसी आ रही है क्योंकि these are my kind of jokes.
हाँ.
मैं अभी अभिषेक बैनर्जी के साथ शूट कर रही थी तो मैंने उस वो ना अगर
You're dating him?
क्या तुम्हें पता नहीं है? साथ में शूट कर.
तुम ऐसी चीजें नहीं बोल सकती.
It's such a fuck all story. I was shooting with him and ऐसे मुझे एक ख्याल आया कि अगर अभिषेक बैनर्जी के चेहरे पे बेबी पाउडर लगा देंगे वाइट तो उसको क्या बुलाएंगे? अभी वनीला शेक बैनर्जी.
She is worse than us, guys. We finally found someone
Okay.
who is beyond. मतलब her jokes.
अगर पूजा
hurting me.
ना अगर पूजा आ रही है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? पुआ.
This is like an in-out joke.
What is the opposite of opposite?
Opposite of opposite.
Opposite.
My ears.
मेरी
Oh
टीम
my
में एक लड़की थी
God.
4वीं उसको 5वीं बुला दिया.
पर तुम्हारे करियर की दाद देनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि तुमने अपना करियर तब स्टार्ट किया जब तुम्हारे दांत थे भी नहीं. So I feel like
मैं बोलने वाली थी मेरे करियर का मैं जबड़ा दूंगी. Sorry.
but yeah, of course we have to talk to you about the obvious now, like obvious things in your life. What are the obvious things in your life?
That I'm a girl. That some people still don't believe.
They ask for what?
Dude, people think that I had a sex change operation when I was 7 years old. Guys, again, one more thing. These Redditors are chutias, by the way. Like anything they will say or go on. How can I have a sex change operation at 7? Estrogen कहाँ से लाऊंगी मैं?
अच्छा ओके हाँ.
हाँ
हिट नहीं हुआ है, मतलब
उसको साइंस नहीं आती है, तुम मुझसे बात कर.
वो
थोड़ा है प्रॉब्लम.
biologically possible नहीं है, scientifically possible नहीं है. So people still think that.
तो
but
कौन से एज में कर सकते हैं?
after 18 I think. I'm not sure. मुझे मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं देगी पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
बड़े होके.
बट तुम्हारा करियर ज्यादा अच्छा था when you were a boy, right? हाँ. So are you thinking maybe?
अच्छा है मेरा अभी भी करियर.
तुमने जो शाहरुख वारुख के साथ जो काम किया है मतलब वाओ. शाहरुख से तारुख पे पहुंच गई तुम. क्या हो गया यार? Sorry Taruq, I think you're really cute.
As married women, I just realized we can flirt with anyone. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
but when my husband's right here, I don't want him to hear all this.
When
He
I
is
say
not
shit
here.
like this, I get cancelled. मैंने एक बार कहा था in a relationship you can flirt with other people.
Oh, how
Healthy
dare
flirting.
you?
तो बहुत मेरे को
बहुत ट्रोल किया ना तेरे को.
मुझे भी मैं जब फ्लर्ट करती हूँ अपने गेस्ट के साथ लोग बोलते हैं शादीशुदा होके फ्लर्ट क्यों कर रही है. अरे मेरे हस्बैंड को नहीं है प्रॉब्लम और है तो वो
उसको
उसका
पता
प्रॉब्लम
नहीं
है.
है. She is in an open relationship. Her husband doesn't know. That's the.
That's all my exes.
You didn't know.
I didn't know he was.
एनीवे हम क्या बात कर रहे थे. हाँ तो तुम्हारा करियर
अच्छा
जो
था.
तुमने शाहरुख के साथ काम किया था बहुत अच्छा. मतलब तुम शाहरुख के घर पे गई होगी फिर.
नहीं मैं सुष्मिता सेन के घर पे गई थी.
क्यों?
वास्तुशास्त्र के टाइम.
पर मैं तो शाहरुख की बात कर रही हूँ.
पर किसी के तो घर गई थी ना. किसी सेलिब्रिटी के घर तो गई थी ना तो वो
Wow.
मैं बता रही हूँ.
It's very nice, na?
She's
What
a nice
she's
lady. Yeah,
Yeah.
she's nice. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll have to
It's lovely.
cut this. This sound is very.
Now that you now
Retake,
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 it's not
retake.
She's
retake.
a lovely lady. Okay.
Even if you don't mean to be sarcastic, you are now. Just say it. We love Sushmita Sen.
We love her. I think she's. कल मैं बहुत रोने वाली हूँ.
मैंने क्यों हाँ बोला?
आज जिस पार्टी में जाओगे ना,
मुझे
extra
वो
तारीख
ऐड
मिलेगी.
कर लेना चाहिए था जो तुमने ऐड मना कर दिया क्या?
मैंने करके आई हूँ.
तुम ऐड करके आई हो सुबह सुबह.
तुम आज शूट करके आई हो.
हाँ, इसलिए तो इतनी अच्छी लग रही हूँ. HMU.
But you know
HMU.
what? You know what? You would do this for me. I'm doing this for you. 1 second. You have a little wish.
Is this the Anne?
You would do this for me and I would do this for you. You've got pen on your chin.
I'm so glad you got it. Thank you.
She's getting all your references now.
I love it. Listen.
Finally, someone who gets Srishti.
इस
What do
पे
you have
वो
to say about
मस्कारा है
that?
तो थोड़ा heavy हो गया है. Make sure it flies. Okay? Fucking.
अब तुम्हारी विश सच हो जाएगी.
Thank you यार.
ऐसा
क्यों?
होता है.
मस्कारा जब लगाती हो विश पे तो सच होती है.
जब फूक मारते हो और एक ही बारी में चली जाती है. अगर वो अटक जाती है तो फिर सच.
तो फिर दूसरी
Can
बार
I
में
just
होती
say
है.
तुम लोग के नाक बहुत सुंदर है.
मेरा नाक परफेक्ट है. And I'm not even joking. The only thing I wanted my baby to get
Is your nose.
is my nose, and she didn't get that.
Wait, let her grow na. Maybe
No, she has.
So
Parsi.
what do you think your baby's not good looking?
No, she's better
So what the
looking than
fuck are you
anybody
saying
else.
then?
But my nose, she didn't. I need to pass this on na. Now I have to have another baby to pass my nose. Srishti was telling me कि you're a people pleaser. Is that true?
How do you know?
Because तुम इतनी people pleaser हो कि जब तुम फॉर्म में वो आता है ना sex लिखा हुआ तो तुम लिखते हो yes. Because you want to just fucking please me. Anyway, male female का तेरा जोल है इतना time. It's like yes ही लिख दो.
You
it's
read
clear.
yes. You delivered that very badly just.
Huh?
That's a very good joke.
Thanks.
Very good joke.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, it's not a joke.
That's a.
But
it's a
what
fact.
were the consequences of being a people pleaser? I feel like तूने इस podcast के लिए भी हाँ बोला.
यार मेरे सारे
you
joke-
wanted to please us.
मैं यही बोलने यार मेरे दिमाग में ये जोक था कि क्या consequences.
Oh shit. Okay, let me give you that. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it true that you're a people pleaser?
Yeah. Ask na consequences.
Okay. Sorry.
So what are the consequences of being a people pleaser?
You get to come to podcasts that you don't want to be at.
You're talking about the Bia
MOS.
biceps. She's not gone on that.
Oh,
Beer biceps?
yeah.
Yeah. You know उसका वो जो episode था.
उसमें वो तुम्हारे साथ फ्लर्ट करा था मैंने देखा. He asked
अगर
you.
लड़का तुम्हारे साथ
He asked you
publicly-
what makes you happy and all. Obviously,
How he asked? Do again.
what makes you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, ऐसा say ना, you're a people pleaser or what?
Yeah.
Because we also have that problem.
I'm a big people pleaser.
Yeah.
I can't like it really bites me in the ass a lot of times. मैं ना नहीं बोल पाती लोगों को. कुछ भी हो जाए मैं ना ही नहीं बोल पाती.
कुछ भी हो जाए.
कुछ भी हो जाए.
Earrings in.
दे रही है यार. Bracelet.
तो अभी कपड़े मांगो.
We are getting there.
हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं कहाँ तक तुम ना बोल
ब्रेसलेट की सिर्फ ये.
ब्रेसलेट कौन मांगता है? घड़ी नहीं दिख रही तेरे को? तू चोरी तो ठीक से
गाड़ी
किया
भी
कर.
दे दे. और ये भी घड़ी करके दे दे.
बोल ना, बोल. हम तेरे को सिखाएंगे आज नो.
तूने ऑलमोस्ट निकालने वाली थी.
बोल ना, say no. No.
No.
I'm yes. No, but you've done so many.
Girl next door. नहीं, college shows.
College shows,
Yeah.
man.
I've done girls hostel,
Hostel days.
hostel days,
A day
Kota
in the
Factory.
hostel. Days of the hostels.
Hostels a day in.
A hostel a day
Jugadistan.
keeps the doctor away.
Which one was this one?
जुगाड़िस्तान. किसी ने नहीं देखा.
जुगाड़िस्तान ही देखा.
लायंस गेट पे था वो. किसी ने.
Were you in immature also? No.
And half CA. हाँ.
Half
पांच.
CA. I have a joke about half CA, but
Crack it now.
वो
This is the
second
time.
attempt पे ही land होगा.
तो वो हम कट कर देंगे.
अरे वही तो जोक था.
Oh.
Oh fuck
CA
यार,
second
ये
attempt,
कितनी डम है यार, कितनी डम है. I want to ask you about your experience as an actor when you were a child. I'll tell you why, because I have also tried to do that when I was a kid, and I had the worst experience of my life, because if अगर अच्छे से तुम्हें guidance ना मिले, तुम्हें अच्छे directors ना मिले, तो तुम्हारा वो experience काफी fuck all हो सकता है. Did you have to unlearn anything when you became an adult actor?
Yeah.
हाँ.
I struggle with that word. Adult actor बोल के लोग porn star सोचने लगते हैं. But I
Yeah.
just.
Did you have to unlearn a lot of things, and what did you really like keep with you?
I had to unlearn the fact that the director tells me everything.
हाँ. Correct.
Because when you're a child actor, you tend to like always look for validation कि ये सही किया कि नहीं किया.
Correct.
Or being told. So now if like I have to improvise or something, I can't do it because I have been told what to do now on set.
You're so
that
used to that.
I'm so used to people telling me or like the director telling me कि ये ऐसे करो, pick this up and keep it here, do this, do these activities. So now like recently I realized that I'm not very confident in like improvising.
And I'm sure you must have had to do a lot of that because of, like, I think TVF does that a lot.
Yeah, so
where
now-
they say do your thing.
Correct. Now with Sisters, luckily, because the director gave me that freedom to do whatever I wanted, so now to इतना मैं improvise करती हूँ कि जब script आती है नहीं तो उस पे लिखते हैं माही does a gesture, माही does something, तो मैं
Yeah.
तो something क्या होता है आप कर
आप कर लो, आप जो कर ले होते हो अपना.
हाँ वही तो वो I think वो मुझे थोड़ा सा time लगा अनलर्न करने में,
Yeah.
like when I turned 18-19, but like you said, the thing with me is that I really enjoyed being on set. I really liked it. So like those directors were really nice. People around me were very nice and they made me feel very comfortable. But बीच में ऐसा एक दो projects था जहाँ पे लोग इतने अच्छे नहीं थे, इतने warm नहीं थे, welcoming नहीं थे. But फिर मेरी मम्मी phone कर देती थी producer को.
Yeah.
ऐसे मत बन,
ऐसे क्यों किया, वो जा रही है सेट छोड़ के चली जाएगी, ये वो एक्टर्स ने 2-3 एक्टर्स ने तंग किया, ये वो तो होता था.
यार सो नाइस यार.
मैंने किया था एक जो मुझे ही चर्बी चढ़ी थी कि मैं टीवी पे आऊंगी, मुझे करना है, बट आई रियलाइज वो टीवी पे आएगा ही नहीं क्योंकि वो किसी का डिप्लोमा शॉर्ट फिल्म था जिसमें मुझे बच्चे का, ऑब्वियसली मैं बच्ची थी तो बच्चे का ही रोल था, किसी के बच्चे का रोल. तो वहाँ पे मेरे डायलॉग्स ऐसे थे कि माँ मैं भी कृष्ण भगवान की भक्त बनना चाहती हूँ माँ, एंड व्हाटएवर. एंड देन later, because I'm such a big bhakt of Krishna Bhagwan, I'm crying because my papa is dead on the whatever, in the cremation ground, whatever. I'm crying for him. पापा पापा, और मैं इतना पापा पापा करती हूँ और ऊपर से ऐसे
पापा आ जाते हैं.
जिंदा हो जाते हैं. तो मेरे को तभी रोना था as a kid, but मैं हंसने लगी क्योंकि I'm like पापा जिंदा कैसे हो गए. तो
Fair.
Privileged हो यार तुम लोग इस
तो
मामले
फिर
में तो बहुत
डायरेक्टर
सही
ने
है यार,
मुझे
तुम्हें
मारा.
कितना एक्सपीरियंस है क्या
अरे डायरेक्टर ने मुझे डांटा कि तुम हंस क्यों रही हो, तुम रो ना, तुम्हारे पापा मर चुके हैं. हमने पर वो जिंदा हो गए, व्हाटएवर. लाइक आई स्टार्टेड crying then, and as soon as I started crying he said roll. He said चलो रोल करो.
He only did it for that, bro.
Yeah.
Did he just do that? And then I said मम्मा मुझे कभी एक्टर नहीं बनना.
He
And
did it
now
for
here
that.
I am.
He really did.
क्यों बनी फिर एक्टर?
क्योंकि मुझे
What was
पैसे
your
चाहिए
first
थे.
break? What was your first?
चैनल वी पे कोई तो ये जवानी तारा दीदी करके एक शो था.
तारा दीदी. I have no idea.
You were Tara?
No, I was Riri. No, that was not a name. It was just
Nice.
whatever. And मुझे 2000 पर डे मिल रहे थे, मैं बहुत खुश हो गई. फिर लेटर पता चला कि जूनियर आर्टिस्ट को 3000 पर डे मिल रहे हैं.
ये तेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है ना आज तक. तेरे
पर
साथ ऐसा ही कुछ
पैसे
होता है.
की वजह से.
सोच अगर एहसास ने सान्या वाले रोल को मना किया था तो उसका बजट कितना होगा और तुझे मिला
Exactly.
कितना?
I'm telling you now. I just told this to another guest in the previous thing that I have always got replacement roles.
Last
Because they're like कौन जल्दी से हाँ बोलेगा कम बजट में.
ऐसे नहीं बोलते यार, पागल हो.
तुमने भी रिजेक्शन तो फेस किया ही होगा यार.
How was it
Rejection
facing
and
rejection
stuff.
as a kid?
I remember एक बार पता है सावधान इंडिया के लिए मैं रिजेक्ट हुई थी तो मैं बहुत रोई थी. I don't know why I cried so much and later I'm like why like today I think about it I'm like सावधान इंडिया के लिए इतनी upset क्यों थी.
तुमने क्राइम पेट्रोल भी किया ना, वो मेरा फेवरेट शो है, मैं अभी तक देखती हूँ. क्योंकि
Horror
वहाँ पे
shows.
जब भी कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
explains.
होता है ना, वो बोलते हैं ये केस बहुत पेचीदा है.
पेचीदा was such a word, dude.
कितने लूप होल्स होते हैं उनके स्टोरीज में, इतना मजा आता है बैठ के बस.
पर जो मैं क्राइम पेट्रोल करती थी ना, there were two kinds of crime.
क्राइम पेट्रोल, क्राइम डीजल.
हाय नो गाइस नो.
देखो कोशिश करना तो हमारा कर्तव्य है.
So funny.
You were saying दो टाइप के क्राइम पेट्रोल.
दो टाइप के क्राइम पेट्रोल थे. एक था क्राइम पेट्रोल सतर्क और एक था क्राइम पेट्रोल कोड रेड. तो जो कोड रेड वाला था वो बड़ा चीप सा था. उसकी स्टोरीज बहुत खराब होते थे, उसका प्रोडक्शन हाउस अलग था, उसके डायरेक्टर्स अलग थे. और जो मैं करती थी सतर्क,
हाँ
वो बहुत सतर्क था, बहुत ऐसा आर्ट्सी
Premium.
लाइक
Yeah.
Look at this, बहुत artsy.
आर्ट्सी.
मैं
This
ऐसे
is the
करती हूँ ना,
opposite
husband
of
gets turned
artsy
on.
actually.
No,
but
no, no. आर्ट्सी,
Premium.
प्रीमियम,
But like very like art house.
वेरी सिनेमा.
ये जो
हाँ.
इतने ताव में बोल रही है कि मैं क्राइम पेट्रोल सतर्क करती थी.
हाँ.
फिर मैं जाके हक देती थी और मैं सावधान इंडिया कर लेती थी.
पर एक बात बता, तुझे पता था कि कोई कॉन्सेप्ट होता है स्कूल का, क्लासरूम का, कुछ आइडिया था?
हाँ, मैं स्कूल गई थी प्रॉपर्ली.
प्रॉपरली स्कूल
मैं प्रॉपर्ली स्कूल गई थी. मैंने प्राइवेट नहीं दिया था, इसलिए मैंने डेली सोप नहीं किए थे बिकॉज माई मम्मी वांटेड मी टू गो to school properly, study and everything. And everything that I used to do was in summer vacations or post school.
और तुझे बहुत फेमस हो गई होगी ना तो स्कूल में.
हाँ
मतलब वो
यार.
मैं पहले हर क्लास के पहले 2 वीक्स तक रहती थी, उसके बाद people got used to me.
But that reminds me, since you were a child actor, I want to know, did you ever make friends in school or they were all just jealous bitches?
Why are you talking like you are hurt?
I think बच्चे सबसे mean होते हैं.
बहुत मीन होते
ठीक
हैं.
है? I'm just talking as a psychologist because like she's a psychologist and I'm not, but I study psychology. There are 2 things. They'll either get very close to you or they'll hate you.
Who's the psychologist?
You are, na?
I am.
You've studied, na?
I studied, yeah.
You're not a
She
psychologist.
forgot.
You've studied. She's like,
No,
I
but
am.
no, she said like I'm a psychologist.
No,
so
you've
like-
studied
हाँ, हाँ,
psychology.
हाँ. Yeah.
So I'm talking in her language which you won't understand. So butt out. So
Butt
what
out?
was which what?
Butt out? What is butt out?
Butt out नहीं पता तुम्हें?
ये कुछ boomer language होगा. Bro, हम millennial Gen Z.
1 second.
तुम नहीं हो Gen Z.
Butt
मैं
out पता है ना
almost Gen
सबको
Z,
यहाँ?
कि मैं
Butt out.
95 में पैदा हुआ था, तो 96 में Gen Z शुरू हुआ था.
I am leaving.
प्यार आ रहा है तुम पे.
Guys, you've never heard butt out?
No, it's a millennial thing.
Audience watching this, butt out. Can you tell in comments what the fuck you guys have not heard? But I am offended.
We don't care really, but okay. Okay, cool.
No, but say na. Were they all like jealous or you
I
made
guess.
friends? Like you have friends from school right now?
Like I have friends from school, but we are like not so much in touch with each other. But I had a group of friends who were very nice to me. मैं ना किसी और से ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती थी. But I had 2-3 girls. I literally when I'm saying this, I can remember this girl who used to really hate me in school. Yeah, but now we're friends. Because she grew up and then she.
But that's
texted
so
me and all.
difficult for a child, na?
Yeah, maybe she was also मेरा स्कूल ना जैसे like coming back to what you said, मेरा स्कूल ना इतना एक्टिंग को और एक्ट्रेसेस को या चाइल्ड एक्टर्स को इतना पुश
भाव नहीं
मतलब
देते थे।
उनके लिए वो नहीं था इतना बिग डील. वो ज़्यादा भाव उनको देते थे जो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा कर रहे हैं या पढ़ाई में अच्छा कर रहे हैं. तो वो मतलब मेरे लिए उतना स्कूल वाले इतना वो नहीं थे. उनको इनफैक्ट वो लगता था कि वाई शी मिसिंग आउट ऑन स्कूल और why is she like maybe she's not having a normal childhood वो सब so they were more concerned about that. तो वो इतना नहीं करते थे कि हमारी स्कूल की है या हम ये एक्ट्रेस है तो
But
हमारे
did you
school में.
learn, like, when you're an actor as a kid, you have these bad habits sometimes that you learn? Not that all. I'm talking about like just expressions. I've seen a lot of child actors who get this and then they don't know how to unlearn it in terms of like just over expressing and
Yeah.
मैं तो chocolate ही खाऊंगी मम्मी.
हाँ ये
Like they do
बहुत
that.
होता था. Yes.
Did you get that or
I used
you
to do
didn't?
this a lot. Like I had to really calm myself down. I became this person also. I was a very loud person.
Yeah.
Like I was really annoyingly loud. Like you are also loud, but you're very nice
And
very
you're
loving.
also annoying.
No.
That's fine.
But I really like you're fun and you're entertaining and you don't annoy like her maybe, but you're not annoying me
Same
so
here.
far. So, but I was.
Same.
I'm done.
Okay.
She can only lie
Are you
so much,
seeing
na?
that even before, like all the guests that are coming are really loving me?
That's not what I'm seeing, but okay.
You're not seeing?
Not at all.
Maybe only I'm seeing.
But
But
her
then,
husband
yeah.
must be so entertained, no? all the time. Are you like this like at
When
home
is he?
also?
Husband entertained?
Sorry?
She's saying her husband must be so entertained.
Yeah.
मजा आ रहा है.
थोड़ा ब्रैटी जो तुम्हारा नेचर है क्योंकि तुम बचपन से ही बहुत पैसे कमा रही थी मतलब दूध सिप करके तुम SIP कर रही थी. Wow.
Nice.
Whenever we crack a nice joke, we'll dance.
I'm
तो
liking
तुमने
this.
काफी सेविंग
this.
की
मेरी
life
मम्मी
में.
ने की होंगी.
तुम्हारे पैसे लेके सारे सेविंग्स कर
सारे
दी.
savings.
उसको शायद पता भी नहीं होता होगा ना कि वो कितना कमा रही है.
आप लोग समोसा खा रहे हो क्या?
तो यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं लाया जा रहा है?
मिर्ची है?
मिर्ची में.
हाँ, बस बढ़िया.
I mean, तू खाएगी सृष्टि?
नहीं.
Enjoy.
यार कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स लगना है हमें.
और मैं 34 की हो गई और मुझे 24 का प्ले करना है. I don't know why. it's
जस्ट
brave.
बिकॉज तूने रेड स्ट्रीक्स डाल दी तो यंग नहीं लग रही. ठीक है.
निशर के थे क्या वो रेड्स?
हाँ, निशर का बजट नहीं था इनका. मैंने पारुल से बात भी कर ली थी. And she said, हाँ ये वो they got shocked when.
चलो फिर हम अपना कुछ भी सेगमेंट कर लेते हैं.
No, but I want to ask you 2-3 more questions.
हाँ,
Wait,
ask me.
Firstly, I have heard that तुमने कोविड में ऐसे वो लिया था कि मैं 500 फिल्में देखूंगी एक साल में and then you just could.
पता तुम लोग को ये सब यार?
हमने किया है रिसर्च यार. तुम इतने पॉडकास्ट पे चली जाती हो तो सब पता ही चल जाता है
मैंने
हमें.
बोला है इसे पॉडकास्ट पे सच्ची?
नहीं
तो
बोला
तुमने
क्या?
सिर्फ 250 देखी. तुम ठीक हो?
या.
या ये ना इतना कंटेंट देखती है इसके नेटफ्लिक्स में ना. आर यू स्टिल वाचिंग या आर यू ओके ऐसा ऐसे लिखा हुआ आता है ऐसे बड़ा
नाइस.
Liked it.
you have to dance ना.
Says a lot about you.
You have to dance. You have to dance. Yeah.
But I love मेरा वही है ना, मैं कभी एक्टिंग स्कूल नहीं गई.
She's like me, dude. She's just like I.
No, she's a little more scary because she's
Yeah.
younger.
Yeah. So imagine when she's
By the
30,
time
what
she's
happens to her? Oh my
30,
fucking God.
she is going to be.
You can always talk to me when you feel like it's getting a bit much.
talk to you.
I'll tell you what will happen 4 years later. It's gonna get worse.
हाँ, so
हाँ.
you watch a lot of content because acting school नहीं गई तुम.
बिकॉज एक्टिंग स्कूल नहीं गई तो वैसे ही सीखती हूँ. तो मुझे डायरेक्शन भी करनी है एट सम पॉइंट आगे.
Oh, okay. Will you cast us?
आई थिंक अबाउट इट.
Okay.
औरत होके direction.
Just remember. Wow. औरत ही direct कर सकती है.
So what films did you watch and which one was your favorite?
Give us 5 films that everyone should watch.
Everything doesn't have to be like give me in 10 seconds, give me 5. Let her talk na.
I can give you 5 films though.
Thank you.
I have my top 5.
Yeah, say
There's this film called Close Up by Abbas Kiarostami. It's an Iranian
Love it.
film.
Watched it.
It's a very, very good film. There's another film called Yi Yi, which is YI.
Of course.
Not.
It's
a
the
film by-
Mexican film.
No, it's a Mandarin film. No, Taiwanese film.
Ah, correct.
Yeah. The Truman Show.
Love
Oh,
it.
Yeah. There's another film called An Elephant Sitting Still.
But you must have seen her in that.
Not anymore, bitch. Not anymore. Jokes are funny only when they're true. When you start making a joke on a very sexy girl looking like an elephant, it doesn't land. So you gotta change your jokes, bitch. Next.
You used to be fat or what?
I was pregnant, na? I was only fat
You
last
know,
year.
she was like, ये उसको बात करने दो मैं खा लेती हूँ. She took the time to eat it.
I was so pregnant.
It's good or what? This one?
मैं बता रही हूँ एक समोसे से कुछ नहीं होगा.
अच्छा और ये जो बेस्ट पार्ट है वो ले लूँ क्या?
तो से ना.
कोई ऐसी फिल्म होनी चाहिए जो सबने देखी हो ना. 3 Idiots.
Oh, what a film.
Yeah.
And what about like porno में क्या देखा है? जो अच्छा लगा?
मैं porn नहीं देखती.
क्यों?
Okay, मैं अपने
हाँ,
top
ऐसा
5
अजीब
porno
लगता है.
films बताती हूँ.
बता.
The girl sitting in the room alone. The boy who didn't know what was coming for him.
2 Girls, 1 Cup.
Yeah, that is the classic. Classic. Then the plumber who lost his
Plumbing.
tools.
You're watching very gory porn.
Sunniest Canada is there.
You have written a sequel for Jab We Met?
How do you know all of this?
You
man?
have, na?
That is so creepy. No, I have not written it. I have thought of it.
But Geet has moved on. The director has moved on. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why you start?
What's the sequel,
I want
tell?
to.
हाँ,
Basically वो जो 2 लड़कियाँ होती हैं ना उनकी.
हाँ. हाँ, cousins. बहनें.
नहीं. गीत और
उसकी बहन.
आदित्य की जो बेटियाँ होती हैं एंड में, जो वो दारा
होती
सिंह
है?
से बात कर रही होती
अच्छा
हाँ.
हैं, तो वो बड़ी हो जाती है.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
और उनमें से एक
story है.
obviously तुम हो.
हाँ, obviously.
फिर? और दूसरी
मैं तो
में?
एक्चुअली सोच रही थी दोनों, क्योंकि दोनों ट्विंस होती हैं.
Oh wow. That is another level of
उन
sex.
पे स्टोरी मैंने सोचा था.
तो तुमने अपने लिए फिल्म लिखी है और उसने तुमने जब भी मेट का उसको सीक्वल बना दिया है.
तो आपने इम्तियाज जी से बात की है इसके बारे में या?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं की मैंने.
तो
करूंगी.
कहानी क्या है एक्चुअली?
वो मैं लिखूंगी.
उसने शुरू का
ये
पार्ट
मेरा-
लिख दिया है.
उसने कास्टिंग कर ली है.
कास्टिंग
पहले
पहले
कास्टिंग हो गई है.
She saw that film and end में she's like fuck twins 2 बच्चियाँ. I'm sorry, we have to talk about her birthday parties.
Okay.
Okay, we have to
Yeah, yeah,
freaking talk
Yeah,
about
what the
her
fuck?
birthday
invited
How
parties.
you are calling how you know everyone? How you are friends with everyone?
Her friend zone is a fucking municipality. It's not a zone.
Yeah, what the
She
fuck?
has everyone in it.
She had one of the sharks on her birthday party. Sharks.
अमन गुप्ता.
But हमको invite नहीं किया. Now we know each other.
Now you are invited.
Already
4th अगस्त को फ्री रहना.
4th August next.
5th अगस्त मेरा बर्थडे होता है.
But what is this massive ass birthday party that has suddenly everyone is free on her birthday?
उससे ही पता चलता है कि उसका SIP का सारा वो रिटर्न्स आ रहा है.
तुम्हें भी मिलेंगे अब 2026 में. क्यों? तुम भी इनवाइटेड हो ना.
अरे नहीं, पर तुम कैसे अफोर्ड कर रही हो ये सब? क्या कर रही हो?
ना इतने पैसे नहीं लगते हैं सृष्टि. थोड़ा है मतलब है पैसे. उतना पैसा तो है.
तो इन्वेस्टमेंट तो किया होगा ना. किस में किया है? कौन से स्टॉक्स खरीदे हैं? कौन सा सिप लिक किया है? क्या किया है बताओ.
सब बताऊंगी मैं तुम्हें. अपना पूरा स्टेटमेंट दिखा दूंगी.
I think you just got uninvited.
Tell some gossip.
हाँ, gossip देना, gossip देना.
Don't take names.
I was shooting for a show and one of the cast members wasn't a fan of mine. मतलब कास्ट मेंबर मैं इसलिए बार-बार बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं हीशी नहीं बोल सकती ना।
हाँ
तो वो फिर बहुत
वेरी
obvious हो
कास्ट
जाता है।
मेंबर, हाँ ठीक है गाइस इसकी बर्थडे पार्टी की पिक्चर्स देख लेना, कौन सा कास्ट मेंबर वहाँ नहीं था, वही वाला।
That is a very smart thing to
वो
do.
एक्चुअली नहीं था।
हाँ,
Obviously,
इसलिए
I
ना।
कास्ट मेंबर मेरे किसी भी पार्टी स्क्रीनिंग पे नहीं होता है।
would- बुलाती भी नहीं हो ना तुम,
मैं बुलाती हूँ।
बुलाती है तू?
वो आते नहीं है।
Then it doesn't work. ठीक है फिर मत देखना, don't waste your time.
बस यही है
gossip
गॉसिप
थी।
ये तो पहले तुमने दे दिया था, कुछ अलग
ये
दो।
कंप्लेंट है, किसी और के बारे में किसी और की चीज बताओ ना।
किसी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने तुम्हें कुछ अलग ही चीज मांग ली, किसी डायरेक्टर ने तुमसे गंदी तरह से बात,
कभी नहीं हुआ।
कभी नहीं, इतना काम करके एक बार भी
मुझे
किसी ने
लगता है वो इसलिए नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मैं चाइल्ड एक्टर थी।
हाँ नहीं
जो
इसके
लोग industry
पेरेंट्स
में
भी तो
होते हैं ना।
यार यू हैव दैट बैकिंग ना, मतलब
हाँ।
ऐसे दे नो हाउ द इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स, शी हैज समबडी टू गो टू, इट्स उसके साथ नहीं होगा। चलो फिर कुछ भी सेगमेंट कर ले, वी हैव अ सेगमेंट कॉल कुछ भी, ठीक है? इसमें से आप चिट उठाओ और जो भी होगा उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। क्या है?
डॉगी। I
डॉगी।
like doggies.
सच सच बताओ, व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट केम टू योर माइंड व्हेन यू रेड डॉगी, एंड बी ऑनेस्ट। But what do you have to say about this?
I like doggies.
You like doggy or you like doggies?
Both.
Nice.
Yeah. So,
So
do
do
you
we.
have a doggy?
No.
Do you want to keep one?
I want to keep a pussy.
I have two.
You are lucky. हमारी एक नहीं satisfy हो रही है। तुम्हारे दो हैं।
Anyway, next.
Um,
Okay, I'll pick one. Kalesh.
Oh,
Guys,
my God!
Guys, watch Greater Kalesh on Netflix.
And this wasn't planned.
This was not planned.
And
What the hell?
Greater Kalesh on Netflix.
Yes, please.
जिसमें एहसास lead है and she doesn't need me to promote the show at all. So I don't know what the fuck
you,
I'm doing. Okay, now you pick one last. Then you play the
It's
game.
fine,
Come
fine,
on.
time.
Okay. क्या किसी को थप्पड़? Have you slapped anyone ever?
तुम्हारी बहन है यार, उसको तो मारा ही होगा।
जो मेरी बड़ी बहन है, उसने मारा है मुझे।
मेरी छोटी बहन ने मुझे बहुत मारा है। हाँ,
नहीं, मैंने नहीं मारा।
ये भी छोटी से भी बहुत मारा।
मैंने एक्चुअली किसी को नहीं मारा।
थप्पड़ नहीं मारा है।
मतलब मीन वाला नहीं मारा है कि मैं सच्ची आई मीन इट एंड
You want to try it now? You want to try?
फन में मार दिया।
I love thappars. I think thappars are a very nice way of expressing love, anger, happiness. Like all the emotions can be expressed via thappar.
With the happiness with थप्पड़.
थप्पड़ on the bum?
मैं ऐसे लोगों को बहुत स्प्रैंक करती हूँ।
लोगों को just
तू लोगों को
generally
spank
सबको
करती है।
हाँ।
Myth busting is happening on Two Girls Two Cups.
What
Spank
was the
करती
myth
है।
that you're busting?
Oh, we just have to say it like that.
तुम मिथ बस्टिंग नहीं कर रही?
मतलब?
तुम मिथ बस्टिंग नहीं कर रही?
तुम myth
किसका?
busting नहीं कर रही कुछ भी।
तुम अभी करने वाली थी ना, तुमने रेडिट ऐप खोला था।
ओ या
Oh.
करूँ क्या? मुझे लगा तुम uncomfortable हो रही थी। करूँ मैं?
हाँ हाँ, let's do
ठीक
it.
है
Let's
चलो।
read some
एहसास
Reddit.
चन्ना का पहला ओ हो क्या लग रही हो, क्या लग रही हो। पहले तो नटखट इंसान, लव यू गर्ल्स, बॉडी वाओ, उस पे तो तुम आते ही हो, ठीक है? But when was the last time you went on a date? Tell us more about like your
Hey,
love
हाँ,
life.
how's the love life going? Is there one or no?
Like I've been out on dates, but I feel like the men these days are just very emotionally unavailable.
Of course, KV and Ehsas very dating.
No, we're not. We never dated.
That's the photo. You can't be so
Ehsas?
close to a man if you're not dating him.
Ehsas, when you post a picture like that.
And you stopped following him as per Reddit. Kumar Varun.
Did you?
Really?
Reddit has said.
Oh damn.
Oh, so as per this master question, you are dating Tanmay Bhatt also.
How many boys are you dating?
Tanmay was asking everyone, and when he asked Ehsas, she said ki you can do that 18 things that make you perfect wala letter, and she said that I did for my guy right now. He turned 31.
Yeah, I was dating somebody who was 30, 31
You
at
were,
that time,
na?
but he wasn't Kumar Varun for sure.
Acha, okay.
That I can assure you. Because when Kumar Varun and I were friends, we still are. He
How
was
they find out all
much
this? Yeah?
older.
How do they?
Joblessness.
Oh yeah, there was this one post about you asking for a collaboration, and then you ghosted them.
What are you?
You asked for freebies.
I was 18 years old. Now I don't do it anymore. I promise I don't do it anymore.
But you did it.
Very, they asked me.
So
and they
cute.
Sent, and I didn't post for them because I was busy and I was just like, I didn't ghost them.
So then they bitched you out. Never
But did you
it.
eventually post for them?
Yeah.
You did.
Then they
Oh, so you
should.
did it. Now then why were they doing that?
वो जब उन्होंने पूरा कर दिया फिर मैंने शर्म बे
अच्छा, after the Reddit post you did it.
So sweet, but that's nice.
I like that you're also accepting it. That's very gracious of you.
yeah. I was also 18, 19 years old, so I was very new to this world also.
I started acting when I was 27, and I feel like I have made mistakes at 27 when you are supposed to be like an adult and knowing your shit and stuff.
Yeah.
So I can only imagine when you have the eyes of the world on you at 18. It's so hard. Like
Yeah.
it's so difficult. You have to carry yourself a certain way. You can't say certain things. You
Yeah.
belong to you belong to a family that comes from this world. It's a lot of pressure, man. Like
It is
I
a
don't
lot of
know.
pressure. It still is. And for someone who likes to be herself
Yeah.
and be like whatever, now I stopped giving a fuck. So I say whatever I want.
But I
that
love
is very,
that.
That is very like a different approach to take, because most people become very like, they don't do podcasts firstly. They don't go on to interviews and talk about anything, and if they do, there is such a long list of guidelines that the managers give the interviewers कि ये इसके बारे में बात नहीं करनी, ये के अभी तो बोलना ही नहीं है, ये भी तो बोलना ही नहीं है, and there was none of that with you. So how did you like? How did you do? Like, do you not? You don't fear it anymore.
I don't
You're
fear
just
it
you've
anymore.
given up.
Yeah. I don't have anything to hide.
I love that. I
Yeah.
think more power to you, because I think the more you are yourself, the better
Everything
it
is out there, and if you're an actor, you just have to be prepared for it.
You sleep better at
You
night.
do, yeah, and if you're an actor, you will famous होगे तुम, और
हाँ.
तुम्हारा लाइफ पब्लिकली होगा, तो मत, अगर तुमको इतना प्राइवेट रखना है अपना लाइफ, तो एक्टिंग मत बनो ना फिर.
Wow, she's a smart girl for a 26-year-old.
Yeah.
I love it. Let's play the game with her. We will all play, and we will all have to say one thing, okay?
If I have done it, I stand up.
Have you been mistaken for another celebrity? Who?
So many, Prajakta Kohli.
You have been mistaken for Prajakta
Yeah.
Kohli. Wow. ये तुम्हारी पार्टी में वैसे इतने लोग आते हैं, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड गणेशा नहीं आया?
वो मेरे दिल में है. दिल में. People
अच्छा.
are mistaking me for Shrishti also.
Stop it.
Nah, people have, we love you in very Parivarik.
Really?
Yeah. People have come and told
And then
me this.
what did you do?
I said thank you.
Guys, look here.
Very good.
Look here, look here.
You took selfie?
They didn't ask for it.
Bitch. मैं नहीं करूँगी.
करना.
देख वो गेस्ट है करना. Have you googled yourself ever? Okay, have you had a
We sit down.
Yeah.
Sorry, that
Have
was
you
very
had a-
tiring.
Have you had a crush on a co-actor?
Never.
I married
I dated him, then I broke up with him, and I married his best friend.
Have you seen your old work and thought, "Chee, yaar, yuck"? Which one?
Me for her, yeah. yeah. I looked and I was like, छी यार ऐसा क्या कर रही है यार. ये वाला तो बिल्कुल ही बेकार है.
ये क्या है bro?
Oh no! Oh my friend Ganesha, तू रहना साथ हमें. No, I think it was really cute.
Have you stalked someone and thought that this role should have been mine?
All her roles should have been mine. I could have played all of them.
Yeah, like that with that face.
Yeah,
Okay, if you think so.
we came too close. I think it was a moment.
Yeah.
Have you dated a co-actor?
She's mad. Have you?
Bhavesh?
Yeah, his friend.
Oh, he was an actor. Okay.
I've never dated.
Same
a
Have you pretended to be on a call to avoid someone from the industry?
All the time. No, how?
Like some-
I have pretended to be on a call because I'm an introvert and I'm sitting and waiting for the reading to happen. So I've gone out and I'm like, yeah. Get the papers, yeah. The document, yeah. Yeah, print out, yeah.
Okay, you have told someone their work was amazing when it was shit.
Just told Shrishti.
So you, Srishti, who have you told?
All screenings that I've ever been to.
Same.
What a film! Listen, I loved the second half में जो that detailing, that oh my god, what mile! Oh wow,
Mild.
something.
Don't complete a sentence. That's a good way. What if in that moment, but that thing that I saw You know that song, the one with the butt. That's a good idea.
Butt
man.
out.
Butt out. Guys, you didn't know butt out.
Such a boomer, yeah.
मैं पूछ लेती हूँ उसका तुम एडवाइस दे दो कि अगर कोई यहाँ देख रहा है और अपने बच्चे को एक्टर बनाना चाहता है, would you say go for it or would you say नहीं यार बचपना रहने दो?
नहीं, अगर बच्चे का मन है और अगर बच्चा एंजॉय कर रहा है,
बच्चे का तो मन कुछ भी करने का होता है यार.
नहीं यार, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली मैंने एक फिल्म की जिसमें 2 चाइल्ड एक्टर्स थे और दोनों का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था करने का, एक्टिंग और सेट पे रहने का, सच्ची. एंड द पेरेंट्स वर रियली फोर्सिंग दैट चाइल्ड एंड आई रियलाइज दैट दिस वाज नेवर द केस विथ मी एंड आई रियली यूज्ड टू एंजॉय बीइंग ऑन सेट. But these 2 kids are really not liking it and I asked them ऐसे अकेले में कि you want to become an actor or you like what do you नहीं I don't want to become an actor, I want to become something else when I grow up. ऐसी चीज़ें. So my whole thing, this thing is that don't do it just because you as a parent you want your child to act or you want to earn money out of it. Don't do it for that. Only do it if the child is really enjoying it and see it. No, matlab I'm sure you're going to start on your own and you're going to take that decision for your child anyway, but you will have enough opportunities to recognize if the kid is
Should
having
we
a
carry
good
this
thing.
on or
Yeah,
But
should
what if
carry
it's
this on.
a small baby and very cute?
वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो तो कर लेना
हाँ?
मतलब.
फिर
Small
उनका
babies का
consent
कोई-
लेना चाहिए कि नहीं?
कंसेंट तो
baby-
किसी का नहीं होता है, कंसेंट होता है. कंसेंट तो कोई दे ही नहीं रहा.
Consent लेना चाहिए कि नहीं? हाँ, बेबी
बच्चे का
तो हम इसके बच्चे का फिर बिजनेस शुरू कर सकते हैं.
हाँ कर लो. बहुत क्यूट बेबी है तुम्हारी, बहुत पैसा कमाओगी.
हाँ. कमाओगे बहुत cute है.
बहुत क्यूट बेबी है तुम्हारी, बहुत पैसा कमाओगी तुम.
What do you want to manifest for 2026 for yourself?
I want to do 10 films.
Okay.
In your lifetime or say
Exactly.
20
What if तेरे को 11वां फिर
2026?
ऑफर आ गए, तुम ना बोल दोगे?
10 or more.
हाँ, please
In
be careful.
2026 I want to do 10 films or more
हाँ.
and I don't want to experience any deaths of close
Yeah,
people.
man, that's
Because
really
I have
hard.
experienced a little too much this year that so
You experienced deaths, grief?
yeah 2-3 funerals
2-3?
I went to. Yeah, 3 funerals I went
Oh,
to.
baap
this
re,
year.
And they were
that's
all
a lot
close
for a year.
people?
Yeah, all close people. So very strange.
All
this
young?
year. No, one was my friend's dad. The other 2 were young.
So how are you dealing with it?
She's
I'm
wearing
not-
white.
Is that how you? That's how you're dealing with it, guys. This
I'm
is
dealing
grief
with
for a lot of people. This is grief.
We've actually done an episode on death and grief, which I think will be a. And I'm not saying it because I want to promote it. I'm saying it. Watch it. I feel like we'll give you.
No, 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 no.
We'll give a release.
Yeah.
What kind?
Whatever kind, some kind we'll give her.
No, no. Take your time with it.
I'll take it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Matlab,
no,
I've not gotten the time to deal with it because luckily I got very busy with work.
Do you
like,
think it's gonna
work-wise-
hit you when you're sitting
alone?
by yourself?
Yeah. So I don't keep myself alone. Sorry, it just became very serious all of a sudden.
No, but it's such a thing, yeah. Grief, we've all been through it at some
Yeah.
level.
I don't know how to deal with it. I don't know how to process it. So I'm just avoiding. I'm a very avoidant person also in general. I avoid difficult things.
Just like you avoided being fun in this episode.
आज मैं फन होना अवॉइड करूँगी. ना मैं फन होगी ना प्रोफाउंड होगी.
नहीं, हम मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आया.
I'm shut up, yeah. I'm joking. It was a roast
हाँ
joke, यार.
इसको ये जलती है मुझसे.
सारे रोल तू ले जाती है ना इसके.
Like that girl.
मैं जलती हूँ.
But can we get
That's
a
true.
gift, please?
तुम्हें वो खेलना है? तुम्हें कोई गेम खेलना है?
ये हम यहाँ खोल के खा लें.
Wow, this is a good charcuterie.
You know what it's called?
Charcuterie.
It's written. Where is the paper?
I don't know where the paper is. This is from Bombay Board. They make cheese boards and they have curated this really nice cheese board for
this
you.
is fantastic.
So basically, you have to have something with something and something with something, but we've lost that paper that says it. So
We
now
will give you
can-
that. We will send you a message of that paper.
this is very nice.
Yeah,
ये
and-
फूल भी खाना है क्या?
नहीं
नहीं नहीं नहीं फूल बिल्कुल मत खाना. Yeah, I think मैं हमको नहीं पता खा सकते.
Actually, हाँ
शायद.
खा के देखना. अगर तुम-
देखना अगर मरे
ठीक
तो
लगा
खा
तो,
नहीं खा सकते.
ये बेबीज ब्रेथ भी नहीं खाना ना?
नहीं. And
Baby's breath.
so this is from Bombay Board. If people like it, they can order it.
Thank you so
And
much.
this is our merch. The zipper that you like is in it.
Love it.
And
love
the tit bag.
I love this.
It's called the tit tote.
Titi titi tote.
Titi
Oh
tote.
nice.
Wow,
that.
this is amazing. I love it.
Yeah.
तो ये है हमारा गिफ्टिंग सेगमेंट. एक बार एक पोज कर लीजिए हमारे गिफ्ट से.
गिरा 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 गिरा.
बहन
तू मत ही किया कर किसी चीज के साथ पोस्ट।
इसमें छोटे छोटे croissants है, क्रीम चीज है,
हाँ।
काजू वाला कुछ तो है
Why
क्रैनबेरी
don't you
के
just give
साथ।
it back to her? I'm really scared you're gonna fuck it up.
Ooh!
Can we
Same.
just put a...
Same it is.
Thanks for watching,
But how
guys.
cool. Thanks for watching. And
Join multiple organisms. तू ही बोल दे यार. Thanks
Thanks to
for watching यार.
Thanks for
Join
watching
channel.
multiple.
नहीं,
organisms?
जैसे-
मेरा तो एक भी नहीं होता तुम्हें मल्टीपल मुबारक
It's multiple organisms.
Manifesting for you 10 films or more and 10 orgasms and more in one fucking night.
yeah baby good
She'll die.
Thank you for watching Two Girls and Two Cups and keep watching Ehsaas on Greater Kalesh. Every day watch it. Watch her on all her other shows. Sisters, very good show, very fun. She's a very good actor. She's doing 10 more or more films
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
next
yeah.
year. And
Okay, bye. Cut. She'll keep talking. Otherwise, she won't shut up. Huh? Bye.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep